When people think of scary animals, they imagine lions, snakes, or sharks. But the most dangerous land animal in the world is something many people think is cute: the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus look calm. They spend most of their time in water, yawning and resting. But this is a lie of nature. Hippopotamus are extremely aggressive. It does not run away from danger. Instead, it attacks. Hippopotamus kill more people in Africa every year than lions, leopard, and crocodiles combined. They can weigh over 1,500 kilograms, yet they can run faster than a human on land. In water, they move silently and strike without warning. A hippopotamus mouth can open almost 180 degrees. Its teeth are long enough to crush bones, even boats. Fishermen, villagers, and travelers are often attacked simply for being too close. Hippopotamus do not hunt people, they kill to protect their territory. Subscribe